Stop letting AI write your code. Seriously, if you're using GitHub Copilot primarily to churn out boilerplate, you're not becoming a 10x engineer. You're atrophying your design skills. You're becoming a glorified copy-paster who can't explain why a specific pattern was chosen. I've spent years building distributed systems and reviewing hundreds of PRs. Lately, I'm seeing a dangerous trend. Intermediate devs who can ship a feature in minutes but can't design a scalable system to save their lives. They have the most powerful tools in history, but they've lost the mental map of how software actually fits together. Today, we're fixing that. I'm going to show you how to stop using AI as a crutch and start using it as a mentor. We'll move beyond the autocomplete and leverage tools like Cursor and Perplexity to actually master system design and high-level architectural patterns. By the end of this video, you won't just be writing code faster, you'll be designing better software. Look, it feels like magic. You type a comment, hit tab, and boom, a fully functional data mapper. You're moving faster than ever. Your tickets are closing. Your manager is happy. But here's the scary part, you're not actually designing the system. You're just approving a suggestion. When you let AI handle the boilerplate, you're outsourcing the most critical part of your growth, the struggle. Architecture isn't about the syntax. It's about the trade-offs. But when you stop thinking about asterisk, why a specific pattern is used, your mental muscles start to atrophy. You've fallen into the illusion of competence. You think you know the pattern because the AI implemented it perfectly. But you don't. You just know how to prompt for it. You've become a reviewer, not a creator. And this is where the trap closes. Next year, when you're interviewing for a senior or staff role, you won't be asked to write a boilerplate CRUD app. You'll be asked to justify a distributed systems consistency model or a complex event-driven flow. And if your only experience is hitting tab to get the code to work, you're in trouble. You're trading your architectural intuition for a 20% increase in typing speed. That is a catastrophic trade for your career. So how do we fix this? We stop treating AI like a typewriter and start treating it like a senior architect. Most of you use Copilot to save 10 seconds on a for loop. That's a mistake. When the AI handles the boilerplate, you stop thinking about data flow. You stop wondering if a factory pattern is better than a strategy pattern. You just hit tab and move on. You're not coding, you're just auditing a machine. The secret to leveling up is what I call architectural prompting. Stop asking for code. Start asking for trade-offs. Instead of prompting, write a service to handle payments. Try this. I'm building a payment system. I'm deciding between a saga pattern and two-phase commit. Explain the failure modes of both in a high-latency environment. See the difference? You aren't asking for the answer. You're asking for the asterisk reasoning asterisk. This forces you to engage with the system design, not just the syntax. This is where the right tools actually matter. If you're just using a basic autocomplete, you're missing out. Tools like Cursor AI or JetBrains AI have the context of your entire codebase. Don't use that power to generate another CRUD controller. Use it to critique your dependency graph. Try asking, looking at my current project structure, where am I violating the single responsibility principle? Now, the AI isn't doing your work. It's performing a code review. It's pointing out the architectural debt you're accidentally creating. But here is the final, most important step, the stress test. Once you have a design, don't just implement it. Tell the AI, act as a skeptical principal engineer. Find 3 ways this architecture will fail when we hit 10x scale. This is how you actually learn. You aren't just shipping features faster. You're training your brain to spot the gaps before they become production outages. You stop being a coder and you start becoming an architect. Now, the goal isn't to stop using AI. It's to use tools that support architectural thinking, not just autocomplete. I've switched my primary workflow to Cursor AI. Unlike standard Copilot, Its codebase indexing lets you ask high-level structural questions. Instead of write this function, I ask, where is the leak in my dependency graph? Or how do I migrate this module to a hexagonal architecture? For the research phase, I use Perplexity Pro. It's a search engine on steroids. It's how I quickly compare CAP theorem trade-offs without digging through 10 different outdated blogs. And for those in heavy enterprise environments, JetBrains AI is the gold standard for deep, type-safe refactoring. All these tools are linked in the description. Use them to build systems, not just lines of code. If you want to stop being a coder and start being an engineer, hit subscribe. We're diving into the high-paying side of tech every week.